In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book an appointment in Calendly fast and easy. Let's dive right in and guide you through this simple process to make sure you can schedule your meetings without any hassle. Calendly is a convenient tool for setting appointments and meetings, perfect for managing time efficiently. When you click on a scheduling link provided by someone, you'll land on a page displaying a calendar with available dates and times. This is your first step, and it sets the stage for an easy setup of your appointment. The page is straightforward, designed to provide a clear view of the schedule, allowing you to choose the best time that fits your schedule. The dates will be clearly marked with available or unavailable slots, ensuring you know exactly what's open. Next, you'll want to select a date. Simply click on a day that suits you the best. Calendly's interface makes this step seamless, with dates highlighting as you hover over them. Choosing a date might seem trivial, but it's crucial for aligning your schedule with the other party involved. Take a moment to plan your week ahead so you can pick a day that's free from any other commitments. Once you've clicked on your desired date, it's time to set a time. Calendly provides various time slots that the meeting organizer has made available. Scroll through these slots and choose a time that is convenient for you. Remember, this will allow both parties to have a productive session without conflicts, so it's worthwhile to consider a time that's mutually beneficial. After selecting a suitable date and time, click on the Next button. This action will confirm your current selections and lead you to a new page. This step is crucial as it finalizes your decision before entering your personal information. It's a simple yet vital checkpoint before proceeding. The next page requires you to fill in your personal details, starting with entering your name. This information will be used to inform the host about the meeting participants. Carefully type in your name to avoid any confusion, as it's how you'll be identified during the meeting. Then, you'll input your email address. This step ensures you receive the confirmation and any follow-up details related to the meeting. Always double-check your email to avoid missing any important communications, as errors here can lead to missed appointments. Finally, hit the Schedule Event button. This is the last step that officially books your appointment. Once clicked, Calendly will send a confirmation email to the address you provided, along with details of the meeting and any necessary links or attachments. You'll also have the opportunity to add this event to your personal calendar, ensuring you remember your commitment. There you have it, a straightforward guide to booking an appointment in Calendly. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to manage your meetings efficiently without any stress.